If you're tired of the exhausting and time-consuming process of mopping your floors manually, then this AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop is here to change your cleaning routine for the better. Designed to deliver powerful performance while being user-friendly, this electric mop makes floor cleaning an effortless and efficient task. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or marble floors, this mop will leave them spotless and gleaming with minimal effort on your part. Why the AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop stands out. The AlfaBot comes equipped with a dual-motor spin head that operates at a speed of 150 rpm, providing a fast, powerful cleaning experience. The spin head automatically pushes forward, making it easy to remove stubborn dirt, grease, stains, and dust with little to no effort on your part. This feature significantly reduces the time and energy you'd normally spend mopping floors manually. Say goodbye to tangled cords with the AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop. It features a modular battery design that provides 40 to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. With a 2000 mAh 30-watt lithium rechargeable battery, the mop is ideal for cleaning up to 2,000 square feet of floor space. After just 4 hours of charging, you'll have enough power to clean your entire home or office without interruptions. One of the standout features of the AlfaBot is its built-in water tank, which holds 180 milliliters of water for wet cleaning. With the water spray functionality, you can mist the floor as you mop, enhancing the cleaning effect. Whether you're cleaning dusty floors or greasy stains, this feature ensures your floors are properly moistened for thorough cleaning. Additionally, the LED headlight provides illumination, allowing you to clean hard-to-see areas, including dark corners and under furniture, with ease. The AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop features an adjustable height range from 37.4 inches to 48.4 inches, ensuring you can clean comfortably without bending over. The mop's handle can be adjusted to accommodate different users, from adults to elderly individuals, allowing for a customizable cleaning experience. Furthermore, the mop head can swing 180 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, making it perfect for cleaning under furniture and in tight spaces. Weighing just a few pounds, the AlfaBot is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. The mop moves on its own with minimal guidance, so there's no need for strenuous pushing. This feature makes the mop particularly appealing to elderly individuals or anyone who may struggle with traditional mops. It's a great tool for kids who want to help clean without causing strain too. The AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop is designed for use on a wide variety of floor types, including hardwood, tile, marble, ceramic, and vinyl floors. Whether you're cleaning your kitchen, bathroom, or living room, this mop will handle it all. It effectively removes footprints, pet hair, dirt, grease stains, and even invisible bacteria, leaving your floors not just clean, but sanitized. Multi-surface compatibility works great on all floor types, making it versatile for different rooms. Sanitizing power, the combination of water spray and dual motors ensures your floors are deeply cleaned and sanitized. Pet-friendly, effectively removes pet hair and odors, making it perfect for pet owners. Once you're done with cleaning, the AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop is easy to store due to its compact design. Simply hang it up or place it in a closet for quick access. The mop head and water tank are easy to clean, and the water tank can be refilled quickly without any mess. Who should buy the AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop? The AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop is an excellent choice for families, perfect for homes with busy households where cleaning needs to be quick and efficient. Pet owners, helps remove pet hair, paw prints, and stubborn dirt, leaving floors spotless and sanitized. Elderly and mobility impaired. With its lightweight design and self-propelling features, it's ideal for those who need an easy-to-use cleaning solution. Busy professionals, if you're short on time but want a clean home, this mop provides a fast and effective solution. Anyone with multiple floor types, whether your home has hardwood, tile, or marble floors, this mop is designed to clean them all. Conclusion: the AlfaBot Cordless Electric Mop is the perfect solution for anyone looking for an easy, efficient, and powerful way to clean their floors. With its dual spin motors, cordless convenience, adjustable handle, and water spray feature, this mop makes cleaning quicker and more enjoyable than ever. It's a game changer for families, pet owners, elderly individuals, and anyone who values a clean home without the hassle of traditional mopping. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.